we are at number 16 of the capsule wardrobe, and we are walking this out together, getting to shoes and how we all love shoes. But some women don't. And so what I want to tell you right off the bat is that you don't have to wear wedges or high heels to look beautiful or to look classy or to look dressed up. This is where number 16 comes in. It is the flat ballet pump. Or just flat shoes, that's what they are. So people call them ballet pumps. And we usually suggest that you go with a black to start with. The great thing about capsule wardrobe, and I've said it before, is that it creates a foundation for you, but it also gives you a foundation upon which to build. So you might decide to get a black pair, then you might move on to a nude pair. You might then splash out and get yourself a red pair. But again, I'm going to say it again. I know you've heard me say it 100 times. It's quality over quantity. You can look absolutely beautiful. You can have a very expensive, very classy, very chic outfit on. But if your shoes are rubbish, if your shoes are scuffed, if your shoes are old, the whole outfit is ruined. So at number 16 is a very classy, good quality pair of black flat shoes. You might decide to get a little gold rim around the edge. You might decide to have a little bow in front. Let your personality come into it. Let your personal style preferences help you to decide the art side of the science of the capsule wardrobe. So at number 16, starting with black, is the flat ballet pump.